Welcome to Shake Tutorials. Today we are going to create this cool brick wall painting effect in Photoshop using these two images. So let's begin. In Photoshop, click Open. Select the two images we are using and click Open. Take the brick wall image, right click the layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Here in the destination, select a new, that will create a new document with the brick wall. Name it Displacement, as we are going to create a displacement map, and click OK. Now desaturate the image by pressing Ctrl+Shift+U. We need to blur the image to form the displacement map. For that, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius. Just zoom out the image for a better view. Adjust the radius to get a decent blur according to your image size and pixels. Click OK. Now we need to give some depth to the image. Take the level adjustment by pressing Ctrl+L on the keyboard. Move the left and right slider inside a bit to set some depth to the image and hit OK. Now we need to save this file as PSD file. For that, press Ctrl+Shift+S on keyboard. Give the file name as displacement and save as type Photoshop PSD. After saving, we can close the image. And now take the image that we want to get painted on the wall. We need to cut the image. There is a few tools to get this done. In this case, as the background of the image is white, we can use the Quick Selection tool. Take the Quick Selection tool and just click and drag over the part we need to select. With the selection overlap outside the required area, press and hold Alt key and click on the overlapping part. Now, to make the selection smooth, take the Select and Mask option from here and zoom in and out the image by pressing Ctrl+ and Ctrl- on the keyboard. We can increase the smoothness a bit to get a smooth edge, and we can increase the transparency of the background and change the view here. Just select the overlay option to see better. Okay, now zoom out a bit and just increase the smoothness, and take this output settings, and the output we can select here new layer. To create a new layer from that selection, click OK. After that selection will be a new layer. Now just click and drag and just drop it onto that brick layer, and now we need to go to Filter and Filter Gallery. In the Artistic Gallery, we can select the dry brush to get a painting like effect. Okay, here in the brush size we can adjust and texture. Just play with these settings to get a painting like effect. You can experiment with other effects also. Okay, here. Okay, it is enough. Click OK. Now we need to give this image a stroke. For that, right click on the layer and take blending options. In the blending options, select stroke. Just change the size a bit. 25 is okay. Make the position outside and click OK. Now we need to change this layer to a smart object. For that, right click and select smart object. Smart object preserve an image source content with all its original characteristics. It enables you to perform non-destructive editing to the layer. Now we can change the blending mode to vivid light. See the difference? Let's zoom in and out. Let's decrease the opacity a bit. Reduce the opacity to 90. Now we need to apply the displacement map we have already created earlier. Go to filter and distort displace. Here set the horizontal and vertical scale to 5 and stretch to fit and repeat edge pixels and hit OK, and select the displacement layer we already created and hit OK. So already some difference we can see. To make it look more sharper, we have to duplicate it. Before that, we have to convert it to smart object again and just duplicate by Ctrl J and change the blending mode to soft light. Then we can reduce the opacity, reduce it to 50%. Okay, then we have to make a curves adjustment layer and just play with it. You can see it is affecting wall image, so just click here on the clipping mask option and then the effect only will affect that layer. Play with it. Okay, it's looking cool. Okay, it is good but not so convincing. For that, we have to create a levels adjustment layer. Play with these sliders until the background is matching with the image. Okay, it looks better now. Now you can make a merged copy of these works by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. So it will be a new layer. To get a perspective view or side view of this image, just press Ctrl T on the keyboard and right click and select perspective and just slide down this bottom left corner. Okay, this looks good. If you like the video, please give a like comment your thought about this video and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more cool tutorials, tech tips and tricks. So take care, keep learning.